Wow, it has been a week. I know, I've been putting out a video every single day for, I'm gonna say, almost 3 weeks, which is like 21 videos. So that's a lot of videos. But today I wanted to do a little recap with you to talk about the last videos in the week, and in case you missed any, and hopefully you know, if you're interested in any of them, then I'll have them linked in the description box down below. Also, I have a fun kind of surprise at the end of the video. If you're really interested in getting into bag making, you will not want to miss out on this little announcement. It's in its infant stages, but I just wanted to give you like a little sneaky sneak, you know. So the first video that I posted, I think it was on Monday, is all about the knee lift. And if you don't know what this is a device that attaches to some machines that can help you to lift your presser foot without having to use your hand, thus being able to put both of your hands down onto your project and have greater control. So we talked about the pros and cons. So if you're kind of in the market, or you're thinking, hemming and hawing about if you need one of these for your projects, I would definitely check that video out. The next video that I made was about this beautiful quilt pouch, and we're going to talk about how to quilt your own fabric, and I just absolutely love this. This is still available over on my Etsy shop, so if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful pouch, it is available. It'd be a wonderful Christmas gift, just saying. But we do go through how to make this full pouch from start to finish. It has a wonderful zipper construction, so if you're new to zippers and you want to learn some new zipper techniques, we have the one tab, or the finished tab on one side, and then the let's see if I can cover my face, the zipper that kind of goes into the fabric. So that is a specialized zipper technique that you might be interested in learning, and it really produces a beautiful pouch. This is a, you know, padded pouch. That's why we quilted it. So it helps to protect your items, you know, delicate things, perfume, makeup, toiletries, just things like that. So it's wonderful to have these padded little pouches, especially for travel and things like that. So if you're interested in that video, I will also have it linked below. And I also might have them in the cards here, so check. It'll pop up though if I did do that correctly. Alright, so we have a 5-minute sewing ornament project. This is the Christmas tree. This is really easy to make and literally takes like 5 minutes, and is a great project to make with kids. We actually made it with a cinnamon stick, so if you make a bunch of these, then you'll have the scent of cinnamon around your Christmas tree. And my daughter was like, "Can I eat this?" I'm like, "No, you can't eat that." She's like, "Why?" I'm like, "It's a tree." Ah, children, the things they say. But super cute project, super easy to make, and you know, just something. My next video was me going to the thrift store. Now, I really enjoy going to the thrift store to look for sewing notions and tools and fabrics, and it's kind of like a fun little treasure hunt to see if I can actually find. I also love looking for books as well, so vintage books, mainly in the garment section. So we went to Value Village, and we went to see what they have in terms of fabric and things. They had a huge book selection of quilt books, which I almost wanted to like buy them all and then like try to resell them, but it was probably about 30 to 40 different books all about every aspect of quilting to applicate to everything. It was amazing. I know that the next person who is a quilter who goes through that book section is going to be, I wouldn't be surprised if they scoop them all up, because it's just a treasure trove of just vintage, beautiful quilt books, you know. Just I like quilting. As you can see, I do a little bit, but I'm not like the quilter, you know what I mean? I wish I was, but I feel like it's kind of one of those, you need to be like a type A personality, and I am a total type B, so that's why I do everything else. I also don't like to spend too much time on a project, and I think that's the problem, is that with quilters, sometimes they can spend months and months and months and that is just too long for me. You know, like I just want to make a pouch from start to finish and be done, and that's it. You know, it's like 5-minute crafts. That's for me right there. Okay, and the next one was how to sew without your foot pedal. Now I've actually never done this before, so it was kind of like me learning with you, but on my machine it has the start and stop button, and then there's the variable speed controls, and yeah, I can just unplug my foot pedal and then I can use that option. So if I wanted to stand at my table and do it, or if I, God forbid, lost my foot or it broke, I've had machines where I go to press down and it lights out, doesn't work anymore, and then I have to go and buy a new one, or yeah, that was not good. It wasn't even an old machine too, so that really was a bummer. But if you have a machine like that, then you might want to learn how to do that too. So I'll just give you some tips and tricks on how to sew effectively without your foot pedal, which also helps if you're injured. Like for me, I sprained my ankle, I have plantar fasciitis, I'm getting really old and my body's breaking down. Oh, it's the joys, the joys. And I know some of you probably think I'm a baby, but I finally hit 40. And the video that I put up yesterday was actually me doing a home decor project, and we made our own bows and I put them on my windows. I have 5 windows upstairs in the top level of my home. I have a 2-story home, and I'm kind of like, I don't want to go up on the roof. My husband doesn't want to. He's the sole provider of our family, so for him to go up on the roof and then fall down, and then I'm like, oh gosh, no. So this year I thought maybe decorating each window as like a gift present, you know, with like ribbon and stuff. So that turned out really, really well. I was actually really surprised how much I like it, and even neighbors have commented. So definitely check out that video. It's a good idea. I mean, I've seen it before. I've seen it done before. I have windows that open up with a crank. So it was a really great option for that window because I was able to access the front and the back from inside the house. So I didn't have to go outside. So if you have a window that you lift up, you probably could do it. It just might be a little bit more difficult. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me know if you do it with a window that goes up or down or opens from side to side. Thankfully these windows, when you do crank it, I'm able to put my arm out and like wash the front and wash the back, which I really like about those windows. But they do have the crank, and it's kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But it gave me a good excuse to go out and actually clean the windows, for me to then have to re-clean them again and spring. But anyways, so I hope that you check out some of those videos. All those will be linked down below, and then maybe we should talk about what I've been working on. So it's been no secret, I think, that I've wanted to do courses for a long time. And courses is a big undertaking, and I have some mental blocks about courses, or kind of money blocks, if you've ever heard of those. And I don't know if it's because I don't really, like, my confidence level's a little bit low, and so it's hard for me to find the motivation. Well, I have been sitting on this idea for a year and a half now, and I have finally made the decision and spent the money on the course platform. So it's done, it's happening, and we're going to be making a basic bag course, and I'm super excited. Now I'm going to be making it, and I think that I'm going to try to time it for after Christmas, so that people are able to, you know, maybe like that time after Christmas when the things have settled down, then people can kind of ease into a class or a course. Maybe they have some extra money so they can spend money on fabric, or they got a machine for Christmas or something like that. And then, you know, as it's cold and we stay inside more, then people might want to, you know, take the time to actually learn how to start bag making. So we're going to learn how to make zipper pouches, all the different ones that we can make so that we can then expand. And then the expansion will come later on. But there are 4 different zipper installations that we're going to learn, and then 5 different pouches in total. And I'm really excited because it would be really hard to find these resources, or even to know these types of installations for zippers and things, just by going through YouTube and looking and looking and looking until you know. So I'm just going to give it all to you at one time in a pretty package, and I think that people will really enjoy it. So if you're new to sewing, you're new to bag making, you're new to zippers, this is going to give you like the crash course so that you can be successful and you know how to do everything. And to do everything means that if you want to attempt a bag pattern that you come across, then you have the confidence from my course to be able to be like, I can go and buy that pattern now. So that's what I'm hoping for, at least. And then the courses will evolve over time. And then of course they will come with different patterns and things. It's just going to be a really fun and exciting time. And I really hope that you stick around with me and encourage. And even if you don't actually do the course or want to do the course, that maybe you share it with your friends and things. And yeah, I'm excited for this new venture. I'm super excited, and I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you have any questions or if you're excited. I will leave a link in my description for the course, and kind of like a let me know so that you can sign up for the mailing list. And then when it comes out, then you will be on that mailing list, and then I can send you a little email saying, hey, did you want to sign up? We're ready to go. So I'll have that link down below for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.